Let's take a look at this example. This time we have given angle alpha and side C. In order to solve this kind of problems, you're supposed to remember the trigonometric functions. Okay, let me write all of them down over here, below the triangle. You're supposed to remember that sine of angle alpha is equal the opposite side over the length of the hypotenuse. So it's A over C. Cosine of angle alpha is equal the length of the adjacent, means size B, to the angle alpha over hypotenuse over C. And tangent of angle alpha is equal the opposite side to angle alpha over the adjacent to angle alpha. So I have A over B. If we are going to look at angle beta, we are going to have sine of angle beta is equal the opposite side to that angle over the hypotenuse. So I have B over C. Cosine of angle beta is equal the adjacent side to this angle, I mean angle beta over hypotenuse. I have A over C. And if it comes to tangent of angle beta, we talk about the ratio of opposite side to angle beta over the adjacent to angle beta. So I have B over A. You have no choice. You have to remember all these formulas. In order to solve this problem, we're supposed to use the formula which contains these two pieces of information. What I mean by that? Alpha is given in our case, and side C is given, so I can find very easy side A. Or I can use formula for cosine alpha, because alpha is given and side C is given, so I can find very easy side B. I cannot use tangent because just alpha is given. I don't have side A and B, so in this case, I have just one piece of information given. That's why I cannot use this formula. I can use only the formula which will have two pieces information given. So I'm going to use, in this case, sine of alpha. Sine alpha is equal A over C. As we said, C is given, is equal 20 meters, and angle alpha is given 30 degrees. I'm supposed to simply use algebra to find A, okay, to solve this formula for A. In order to do so, I have to multiply both sides equation by the denominator. So I multiply both sides equation by C. C and C will cancel out, and I have C sine alpha is equal A. I can rewrite this formula as A is equal C sine alpha. C is equal 20 meters times sine of angle 30 degrees. This is equal 20 meters. Sine of 30 degrees is equal 1/2. And 20 meters times 1/2 is equal 10 meters. This is the length of my side A, 10 meters. Next, we're supposed to find the length of side B. We can use Pythagorean theorem to do so, or we can use cosine or tangent. This time I'm going to show you how to use Pythagorean theorem. We said that Pythagorean theorem looks like this. We have c squared equals a squared plus b squared. If you want to find side b, you will have b equals square root c squared minus a squared, which is equal square root, open parenthesis, c is equal 20 meters to the second power minus 10 meters to the second power, and this is equal 17.32 meters. This is the length of the adjacent to the angle alpha. Okay, this is the length of my side B. In order to find angle beta, you're supposed to simply use the formula beta is equal 90 degrees minus alpha. You're supposed to remember that the sum of all angles in the triangle is equal 180 degrees. But right triangle has always 90 degrees. So 180 minus 90 gives me 90 degrees. So the sum of these two angles is equal 90 degrees. So if alpha is given and I want to find beta, I'm supposed to simply subtract alpha from 90 degrees. And this is equal 90 degrees minus 30 degrees. So beta is equal 60 degrees. So we have three sides of the triangle. We have two angles. So we can say that the problem is solved.